Hi friends, welcome again. What is the status of your site after the latest core update? This is a question which all the bloggers are asking, and every blogger has a different answer. Today in this video, I am going to share with you the status of two sites after this update. Well, most of the sites, whether old or new, has undergone a change. Some sites have recovered after 2-3 days dip or slide, whereas some sites are still under dip, or some sites are gradually like a snail or hare and a tortoise story. Remember that slow and steady wins the race situation. I mean growing or returning back very slowly. Let me show you my first site. Here you can see the status. This is my, I would say, more than 2 years old site. Here on February 28th, the slide I saw for the first time. Then on 1st March, it got a boost. Then on 2nd March, the slide started again. Then till March 12th, it is still on 0. Now this was only about the clicks I showed you. Now let's check the full site search results. The site was giving good clicks, but after this core update, 2 of my ranked articles just disappeared from ranking. I cannot find these articles in the Google. Now I will show you another site. Let's see that site also. This is another 6 months old site. It is doing fairly good in terms of average position and average CTR. Impressions are very good, but clicks are not too many. After the core update, since 4th March, I saw the site going down completely. The 6th March, it was okay, and then 6th March to 8th March, I would say full dip to 0. Still until March 12th. The site is still under 0. What you can do about this core update? Nothing. You cannot do anything. Whatever has to be done, it will be done by Google. If your site content is good, and if Google feels that your site should be ranked, then it will slowly come back to its original ranking. If not, you better forget about the site. But don't delete the site. Continue writing good content and original content. The old content remove one by one, just delete the articles. Actually, only the new sites are hit by this core update. The old sites say that are more than 2.5 years and above are not affected by this update. So build a worthy site that gives value to people. Build an asset for your future. So this was my short video on the site's situation after the core update. Hope this video will benefit you guys. Take care. Bye bye.